99% is a bitch, but 100% is a breeze for your ecom store. I'm going to explain what this means and why it is the real key to success for scaling up your e-commerce store. Let's get into it. Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com, and today I've got something very special to share with you. I'm going to teach you an incredibly powerful concept that has had a profound impact on my own life, not just with e-commerce store, but with all my other habits, like with health, fitness, work, and any other skill that I want to learn. It's helped me build other skills, other businesses, and it's incredibly useful. This is the concept. 99% is a bitch, but 100% is a breeze. What does this mean? Let's break this down. It is so much easier to commit 100% to a new thing than to commit 99% and have a window for failure. This concept has really changed my life, and I've built some incredible habits with it. If you really want to do anything at all or learn anything at all, go 100%. Commit and don't leave any window for failure. Why? Because your brain loves this little opportunity, this little way out. The little 1% gives you a chance to fail. Failing is much easier than putting in the work to really succeed. Okay, so let me give you an example of this in action. Say you want to eat really healthy. You buy some healthy food, you do some meal prep, but you still keep the junk food in your fridge. You think, oh, I'm not gonna throw that out, that would be a waste of money. Well, now you have this tiny opportunity to fail right here. As soon as you've had a rough day, you're feeling a bit stressed, you come home from work, you're really tired, your willpower is at its weakness, well, you now have an opportunity to fail. You have that junk food right there, and it's so easy to open the fridge and grab that food. As long as you still have this little opportunity to fail, this 1%, it's gonna be so much harder to stick to your diet. So all day, even subconsciously, your brain is wrestling with willpower. It's no longer a 100% commitment, but you're giving yourself a chance to fail. So when you want to start a new habit, a new e-commerce store, a new diet, gym routine, or anything else you want to change in your life, think about how you can go 100%. The easiest way to do this is to change your environment. Remove that 1% from your life. Make it so that if you have this goal, and you need to work towards that with these daily habits, then those daily habits always get done. Okay, let's look at an example with your e-commerce store. Say every day you want to jump into a forum about your niche and engage with people. If you do this 99% of the time, as in when you feel like it, maybe the day feels good, or when you just remember, well, you're actually gonna forget so much more than you realize. Some days you'll be too busy, some days you just forget, some days the weather's not good, some days you just don't feel in the mood. And these days add up, and before you know it, it's been a week without even logging into that forum. But if you say to yourself, hey, every single day at 9 a.m., I get on my computer and I go into that forum and engage people with posts. And I'm even going to put it in my calendar with an alarm blocked out so that time is there no matter what. Even if I'm out with my friends having breakfast or something like that, I still get on my phone and spend 5 minutes engaging on that forum. Suddenly, there are no excuses, and the opportunity is always there to get that done. You will do this habit every single day, and the effects are going to build and compound. What's even better is that it actually becomes easier. It's no longer a battle in your head of, should I do this, should I not? But it's, I do this because that's what I do. This is crucial and something I really want to communicate to you guys. When you have habits that are so automatic that you don't even need to try to do them, that's when you can have massive change with very little effort. It is so much easier to get the success you want in any domain because it's an automatic thing that just plays out day after day, and then month after month, you'll start seeing that progress. People don't get fat by eating one hamburger or having one day where they don't eat healthy. It's the daily habits, the daily tasks, and that consistent caloric surplus that forces your body to start putting on weight. Seriously, show me the daily schedule of someone today, and I'll be able to tell you if they're gonna be successful in 5 to 10 years. Okay, the rule is 99% is a bitch, but 100% is a breeze. Apply it to your own life. What habits do you want to instill? How can you go 100% and not have any chance for that voice in your head to say, it's okay if I just miss one day? Commit to your goals, and everything you do becomes so much easier. Every single day, these little wins over time add up to massive results. So commit and see your life change, guys. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, as well as e-commerce tutorials about how to grow your e-commerce store, please consider subscribing and check out the rest of my channel. Apart from that, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.